This is the industry's first microbially based, microbially safe enzyme. This is Enzyme, the Zyme, the end all zymes. Enzymes are really used to reduce action potential and help make nutrients more efficient, but it's readily used to help clean lines and help clean our hydro lines, clean our soil systems, knock back salt buildup and things of that nature. And again, the issue is that most enzymes are absolute nuclear bombs for microbial activity. So if you're gonna apply most of your traditional off the store-bought shelf enzymes, it's gonna knock all that back and you're gonna have to re-inoculate and start from square one. Not only do you not have to do this, but it contains a bolstered population of our microbes so that over time these microbes can continue to provide enzymes for your system. So for more information on Enzyme or any other kick products from Key to Life,
check us out at keytolifesupply.com.